So this is me backtesting on a relaxing Sunday afternoon. As you can see, it's not particularly exciting or adrenaline pushing, but this is the real job of a day trader. Welcome back, guys. My name is Juliuz, and while you can see me backtesting in the background, I want to tell you about the real job of a day trader, the fundamental basis of our job, the backtesting. You might think that trading is all about making that split-second decision, but there's a silent hero in your trading journey, and it's backtesting. You probably all know what it is. Backtesting is when you run your trading strategy against old previous data to really see how it would have performed back then. Our job is not just about the thrill of executing a trade. It's about proving that your approach, that your strategy works before you risk it on your real money. I am one of the biggest fans about constantly backtesting your approach, your strategy, everything you want to do later on in the real market. I think it's the most important thing that we have to do, and it's the majority of our job. Trading just takes about 1, 2, maybe 3 hours of your day, but backtesting can fill the missing 5 to 6 hours to make it a full 8 or 9 hour working day. It's crucial for your risk management to backtest a whole lot of data to really see what are the worst case scenarios that you might encounter in your real life trading experience. You really learn how your strategy behaves during market drawdowns, which is in the end protecting you from unexpected losses. I will make an extra video about the top 5 reasons why you should constantly backtest. But let me tell you something. I know that most of you probably are backtesting, at least starting off backtesting some kind of new strategy you found online. But the difference between an amateur trader and a real professional is that the real professional never stopped backtesting. He's backtesting every working day. And so am I. And I think that's one of the most important things. As you probably know, I'm a big advocate of a fixed mechanic strategy that you are able to replicably trade every day for the rest of your trading life. I know there are a lot of traders who say, okay, the market changes constantly, so a fixed strategy with fixed rules won't get you a lot of money in the long run. But I'm thinking this is totally false. It eliminates all of your emotions if you have a fixed strategy. You know which result you will get if you backtest constantly, and you know how to act when a loser arrives, because this is something you will see almost every day. So one of the best books I can recommend to you is The Complete Turtle Trader. Okay, it's about Richard Dennis and his turtle trader technique and strategy, where he's basically just invented a strategy that is trend following, and then he invited some participants and he gave them his strategy, and he found out that even though he gave every single trader the exact same strategy and the exact rules to follow, the outcomes vary from big winners to losers across all participants. Because even though you get fixed rules, not everybody is able to execute them right without emotions. I'm a big fan of that story. So I am searching for a working strategy as well all the time. I'm backtesting all the time, trying to optimize it, trying to find new aspects that I can work on, that I can change to make it even more profitable. And I think that is the most important thing that we should do as day traders. So some believe that trading should be more about intuition, that a really good trader has that stomach feeling, that intuition when to enter a trade and when it's working. I'm completely different in that aspect. Backtesting shows us that success is more about preparation and less about your gut feeling. So if you take something from this video while watching me backtest in the background, read The Complete Turtle Trader to find out how somebody with a fixed strategy managed to make millions in the markets, okay? His story has its up and downs, okay? But in the end, it's one of the best trading books for me. And you even can learn his full strategy in this book. So if you want to trade Richard Dennis' strategy, you can find it in there as well. And it seems to be still working up to date. So before you jump into your next trade, invest a little more time in backtesting. This is the real job of a day trader, to ensure that every trade of yours is based on solid working data. Data is our best friend. If you have several years of data, you will also build the confidence that is needed to be a trader. Confidence doesn't come out of nowhere, okay? And it surely is not coming just by trading based off your intuition. It's coming from historic data. So what's your take on backtesting? Have you seen your strategy perform any differently in backtesting than in your real execution? That means you can optimize some things. Drop your experience in the comments down below. Thanks for tuning in. you can see me backtesting for another few minutes. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Next time you will see me trade live again. Of course, only based off working backtest data. You know the deal. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself, guys. Have a great rest of the week. Hopefully you found this video a little helpful. Bye bye.